Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the truthy and the falsy values in JavaScript. Okay, in JavaScript, every value has an inherent boolean identity. Okay, so what exactly is that? So basically what happens is that each and every value inside of JavaScript has a boolean identity. For example, if I just declare a variable, something like let magic number equals to 5, something like that. Okay, so this magic number has an identity like the boolean identity, which is truthy in our case. Why is that? So let's see that. Okay, so we have only two values inside of the boolean, right? We have the true and we have the false, right? But apart from that, many of the times what happens is that inside of the conditionals, we check for the truthiness of the condition and the falsiness of the condition. And what do I mean by that? I will show that in action in a moment. So what I can do something like if and do something like magic number. Just this one. I'm not doing something like magic number equals to 5. I'm not doing that. If magic number, then console log, let's do, hey, you have a magic number. Okay, else console log, you do not have a magic number. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting, hey, you have a magic number. But this particular thing, like this magic number, is a number. So basically, there is a boolean association with this particular variable, which is basically the truthy value. Okay, so let's see what are the truthy and what are the falsy values. So falsy values, there are exactly 8 values in modern JavaScript that evaluate to false. Okay, the false keyword itself, the 0, -0, okay, then 0n for the big int, then we have the empty strings, then we have the null, undefined, and not a number. The truthy values are all of the other values which are not including these ones. Okay, awesome. So what we can do, we can write some of the code here as well. Okay, so if let's do something like magic number once again, magic number. Okay, and let's do something like not the magic number. Let's add a variable. Let something like hidden. Okay, equals to something like 10. Okay, now if hidden, okay, let's do console log of truthy. Okay, and here else console log of falsy. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting truthy. So this is truthy, but if I just do something like 0, then that will be falsy. Okay, if I do -0, that will be falsy as well. If I do something like an empty string, that will be falsy as well. Null, that will be falsy. Undefined, that will be falsy as well. And we have what we have. We have null, undefined, and not a number. So nan, okay, not a number. So that will be falsy as well. If I do something like 0 divided by 0, that is falsy as well. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So apart from these values, what I can do something like 5. Okay, so that is truthy. So depending on the truthiness or the falsiness of the condition, this condition is running. We are not checking for the true or false values inside of these conditions. We are checking for the truthiness and the falsiness of the conditions here, right? So I hope that makes sense. Okay, so this is basically the truthy and the falsy values in JavaScript.